Hey guys, today we're going to practice perimeter. So perimeter is the distance around a figure. It's the sum of the lengths of the sides of the figure. Now sometimes we'll have a shape or a polygon like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. And we know a 5-sided shape is a pentagon. Now sometimes all of those sides are the same, and sometimes, like in this instance, it's not. So when you have to find the perimeter of a shape, you just add up all of the sides. And so I don't get confused. What I do is I usually start up top and then I just go around and I cross off the numbers as I add them, just like this. 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus the other 3 plus 4. And that way, I can remember them. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 3 more is 9, plus 3 more is 12, plus 4 more is 16. And so we would label it with inches because they're all being measured in inches. So the perimeter of the figure is 16 inches. So that would just mean from going all the ways across 2 inches, down 4, over 3, and back up 4, that would be a total of 16 inches. That's what the perimeter is, guys. Let's practice this example. Ellie put ribbon around the sign below. What is the length of the ribbon? Now there are a couple different ways that we can do it. We can find the sum of the lengths of the sides. Okay, so we can add up 15 and 6 and 6 and 15 plus 6 plus 6. Okay, and we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided shape, which is a hexagon. So you can either add going up and down like this. So we could do 15 plus 6 plus 6 plus 15 plus 6 plus 6. Or another way we can do it is I add up the bigger numbers, 15 and 15, which equals 30. Okay, and then I know that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 6s. So I could add up 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, or I can do 6 times 4 because there are 4 6s, and I would get 24. So then I would add up my 30 plus my 24, which would give me 54, and we're measuring this time in centimeters. Okay, so the perimeter of this sign would be 54 centimeters. With the adding all of the numbers up, or by adding a couple and then multiplying, and don't forget to add them together at the end. Okay, let's practice this perimeter. This is something sort of like what we just did, where this pentagon actually has all sides that are equal, all 5 sides. So you can count up 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, or a faster way you can do it, 8 5 times, and that would equal 40 feet. Okay, so you can do it either way, whatever makes the most sense to you. Now there is one more example I wanted to practice, and this is whenever we know the perimeter of the triangle is 25 meters. So we know the perimeter, but we don't know, and we have an unknown side. So we're looking for that length, okay? So I know that this side and this side is 6 meters plus 10 meters, and I know 10 plus 6 is 16, but I don't know what that extra side is. So to figure that out, I'm going to take my total 25 meters, and I'm going to go ahead and subtract the 16 meters that I know are the other 2 sides, and that's going to, whatever I'm left with is what we're going to have for the unknown side. Now, you know I can't do 5 minus 6, so I'm going to go ahead next door. That 2 becomes a 1, that 5 becomes 15, and that 15 minus 6 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0, to give me 9 meters would be the length of that unknown side. All right, friends, let's practice this a little bit tonight for homework. We'll continue practicing the rest of the week too. Great job, guys.